Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 75k kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintain, plate ending 9, central locking system, all power, dual aircon, 7-seater, fog lights, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 868,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 210,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Suzuki Vitara GL, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 65k kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 9, alloy mags, touchscreen head unit, backup sensors, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 578,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 124,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Honda CR-V, 1.6-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 78k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 6, paddle shifters, touchscreen head unit, cruise control, auto climate control, reverse camera, 7-seater, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 898,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 234,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2022 model Toyota Fortuner LTD, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 45k kilometers mileage, first owned, with CASA records, plate ending 1, two-tone color, kulang ventilated seats, paddle shifters, keyless entry, 7-seater, eco and power mode, lane assist, automatic tailgate, camera sensors, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,768,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 510,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Mazda 3, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 37k kilometers mileage, first owned, CASA maintained, full CASA records, plate ending 9, reverse camera, deep dish mateng, fog lamp, rear sensor, 5-seater, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 598,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 68,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2022 model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 20k kilometers mileage, panoramic sunroof, push start, premium leather seats, forward collision control, cruise control, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 848,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 233,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.